Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with the Modesty. Today, I have a surprise box from FabFitFun. And I'm really excited to see what's in here. And so, stay tuned if you're interested. Okay, welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers. I hope you guys are having a good week. Well, today I do have a surprise box from FabFitFun, and this was sent to me because they asked me if they could use one of my videos and I guess some kind of advertisement, whatever, and they said they'll send me a thank you box. It's kind of weird how it came because it looks like somebody's been in it and then they retaped over it. Could be the post office. I don't know. But anyway, so I'm really looking forward to see what they would have sent me. You know, I mean, it was nice of them. I didn't really mind if they were just going to use my video and, you know, give me credit for it being my video. But they said, we'll send you something as a thank you gift. So here it is. I don't know what's in it. Have no idea. But we'll get into it. But first, I want to do our Power Thought cards. And I really like Power Thought cards by Louise Hay. On the days that I feel kind of like, you know, I need a power thought, you know, so yeah, it's been already, you know, a rough week. What is it, Tuesday today? And I'm thinking, okay, it's already been, I feel like I've already lived the whole week at work. So yeah, so this is a good thing for me to start with. And these boxes don't come like, you know, affirmation, but they are affirmation type. So you can turn it into an affirmation. For example, let me see, let's pick a card. Okay. And, oh, very simple and very cute. Okay. And it says, I love life. Well, that's an affirmation, right? You know, you can say, I love life and I'm going to live it to my fullest. And so this is a very simple card, but you can go many directions with this. And the thing about it is, I mean, removing yourself from the environment and, you know, the negativities that's going on. I mean, the news has got nothing but, you know, negative things lately, and politics is all negative. I mean, the health of the society is negative. You still have to love life because you have to love the fact that you can look up in the sky and you have those days when the sky is just so blue and it's so beautiful. And even though we're nearing the end of summer and we're getting into fall, you still see beautiful plants. And I actually walked past a neighborhood where they had like tons of wildflowers, and it just reminded me of you guys. And, you know, at that moment, I just felt like, you know, I really love life and things that's in it. And so I try to hold on to those memories and really, you know, I guess benefit from them. And so, yeah, I do love life. And let's see what it says in the back. It says, it is my birthright to live fully and freely. I give to life exactly what I want in life to give to me. I am glad to be alive. I love life. And that's true. That's pretty good. Well, that's a nice affirmation. That part is affirmation, right? Let me say that again. It is my birthright to live fully and freely. I give to life exactly what I want life to give to me. I am glad to be alive and I love life. And the part that says, I give to life exactly what I want life to give to me. Well, this is where you really want to be positive because you get back, you know, what you send out. So that's kind of like, what is that they call it? Karma? Yeah. So yeah, it's a good card. Tell me what you think. All right. I know I look kind of like just thrown together. I actually am just thrown together today because work's been like on a crazy. It's just like, well, let me just just put this on and video something, because videoing for you guys and creating content makes me happy. So yeah, let's see what we have here. And I wonder why it is taped like that. Usually it's got a seal, the blue seal. Whoops, what is all that? Okay, on it, but I don't know. Maybe they thought there was something in it that they shouldn't have shipped, then who knows. But let's see. I'm cutting through. Oh, the top hasn't been cut, so I wonder what happened. Oh, okay. All right. It looks like that. Okay. It has a lot of stuffing in it. Oh yeah, it has a lot of stuffing. What's in the box? What's in the box? Okay, I'm gonna go ahead one thing at a time, and there's of course no card or anything because, yeah, it's a free gift. The first thing I noticed here is Elemental Herbology, Radiance and Vitality Cell Nourish Radiance and Vitality Serum. Okay, it says Ultimate Skin Nutrition, an essential to any skincare regimen. The vitamin boosting serum contains a powerhouse of proteins, vitamins, and antioxidants to transform the skin. It has kombucha, and it delivers a lipo-filling effect. Coenzyme Q10, important for optimum energy and production and protection against free radical damage. And green tea, an antioxidant to combat free radicals and support healthy tissue inside and out by promoting hydration and repair. Okay, so it says how to use. Shake bottle before use. Remove pipette from bottle and squeeze tip. Place back into the bottle and release. Apply a few drops morning and night to clean dry skin before your daytime moisturizer or night cream. Okay, let's see. So pipette, that means it's like a dropper, eyedropper, right? Yeah. Oh, how cute. Look at that. Wow. There we go. Very cute. Yeah, I'll be willing to try it. And it is, let's see. I'm looking to see if it has any fragrance. And it is fragrance free, it looks like. Okay, that's great. Okay, I'm good with that. Well, that's nice of them. You know, I don't know what the price on any of this stuff is, but okay. Alrighty, and then next I have One Kind Mega Multitasker All Day Moisturizer with ashwagandha and vitamin complex. It seems like I'm getting a lot of ashwagandha products, and I do, like I said, I do orally take that with my tea at night. And so this one here, ashwagandha, fights against fatigue, stress, and screen-emitted blue light. And peach, apple, and ginseng juice complex protects against environmental pollutants. Hyaluronic acid helps skin retain moisture and reduces the appearance of fine lines. This is applied generously to clean skin, followed with sunscreen. Nice. Okay, let's see what it looks like inside. Okay. I don't think I know this company. One Kind. Okay. Looks, it comes in a tube. And let's see. Should I try it? Oh, good. It has a seal inside. So I was thinking this feels like the kind of company that will have a seal. So that's good. Okay, that's appreciated. They must know I like skincare. Okay, the next thing in here looks like a couple of samples actually, or maybe this is full size. It looks like Love Your Body Voluminizing Mascara. It's in sealed plastic, so let me just open it up. Whoops. And so here is Love Your Body Voluminizing Mascara by Laura Geller. Okay. And is it that way? Yeah, I think so. Nope. Ah! I can never get that right. There we go. Okay. And it's not waterproof though. Okay, it's okay. It lifts, lengthens, and amplifies. You know, I think I'll go ahead and put this in my giveaway because it isn't waterproof. So, yeah, I'll put that in one of my giveaways. And the other one is, again, Laura Geller. It's a Kajal eyeliner, longwear eyeliner. Yeah, for sure I'm going to have to put this in a giveaway because I have so many eyeliners. And you know, I'm sure one of you will appreciate it. There it is. And it looks really nice. Okay, it's plastic. And the last thing in my box, I'm going to put the big box aside, is this. So, what is it? No. Okay. I've seen this before, and I wanted it, and I didn't get it because there was another option that I really wanted better. I'm glad. Wow, okay. And it's by Kate Spade. And you know Kate Spade, New York. And it is the little water bottle. I love these things. This is my husband's like, God, do you really need another one? That's what he's going to say. And this is hand wash only, okay? And it's Kate Spade, New York. There it is. But I like the way this thing is shaped. And yeah, nice, you know, nice seal, so it's not going to spill in my bag. And it comes with a little card. And so, yeah, you know, since I have so many of these, I'm just going to go ahead and set this aside. But it says, care and use, hand wash only. Do not use in the microwave. Yeah, no, don't do that. And ensure lid is security filled when in use. And do not overfill hot liquids can burn. So, yeah. This is so cute. I love polka dots too. So, yeah. You know what? This was a pretty nice, set of gifts here. I didn't really expect that. They reached out to me and said, hey, listen, we saw your video. We want to use clips of it in our advertising. And, some of you are probably like, you should just charge them. Well, it is what it is. And, if somebody can benefit from my content, I'm not really interested in making money. And that's pretty much what I told them. And that's when they said, you know what, we want to send you something though. And so I said, okay, send me whatever. But I didn't expect this. So very nice. Again, the One Kind Mega Multitasker Moisturizing Lotion and Elemental Herbology Serum with a bunch of goodies in there and no fragrance. The water bottle. And Laura Geller. Oh, that's nice. Positive Results. Love Your Body Voluminizing Mascara. And again, Laura Geller Kajal Longwear Eyeliner. Okay? So, yeah, that's it, my beautiful wildflowers. That was pretty nice of them, right? I'm happy. So, okay, my beautiful wildflowers. If you like the content, please hit like. And if you have not subscribed yet, please do consider subscribing, especially if you like content like this. And also, I do have a couple of giveaways going on, so I will leave the link below. And please do follow directions, watch the video, hit like, make sure you're subscribed, and then you can enter if you know the special word. Alrighty, my beautiful wildflowers. I want you to have a good day, a good night, a good week, or good weekend. Whenever you're watching this, doesn't matter. But just remember, never sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.